Hey everybody, I'm Griff with F5 Product Marketing. Today we're exploring how Distributed Cloud DNS Load Balancer helps you streamline management of your load balancers and pool members. So let's take a look. In a previous video, we looked at the role that deep observability can play in optimizing app performance. We're doing something similar with Distributed Cloud DNS Load Balancer, the perfect companion to DNS. Health checks are a key part of maintaining the availability of your applications and keeping users connected. Here on the XC DNS Load Balancer's dashboard, you can get all of the relevant information for your load balancers right up front. You can see the health and traffic readiness of load balancers. You can sort pool members based on health. You can see, at a glance, why a pool member may have failed a health check. If we click into our global pool member, we can see that its connection timed out for a health check from at least one region. And you can even link out to the F5 Tech Docs page and get recommendations on how to diagnose and fix this kind of issue. Optimizing your app's performance depends on the visibility and level of depth you can get from your environment. These tools put the information you need to keep your apps performing their best right in front of you, cutting the time and effort it takes to manage your online business. This way, you can focus on delivering value, not just day-to-day maintenance. If you want to learn more about how F5's distributed cloud services deliver your apps wherever they live, head on over to f5.com or get in touch with us today.